Sakshibhuta Manushya. As we all know, Manushya means man. Sakshibhuta means witness, means man as a witness. Now here in your textbook, page number 35, the lesson is given. Here the two persons, Sunit and Punit, that the dialogues is given. This is in this lesson that dialogues are there. So here that Sakshibhuta Manushya, man as a witness, how it is. Before starting the lesson, the summary is like this, that in this world the good and bad incident happen in every place and every moment. That we all know that good and bad thing happen, everything for everyone. सबके साथ ये होता है. Now here that at that time that the non-living object like a stone, then birds, animals, they all are there. Means suppose any accident or anything will happen. So at that time, the stone means pathar, then birds, animals, they all are a witness of that place. Means that the incident. So now here they are chance to witness this happen things. Now here it is given like message that whenever anything is happened, means any bad thing is happened, any incident is happened. So what the role of as a human being, as a witness of that place. So what we will do. So here the three act will be given, that what the human being will do, what a man will do at that same time. So that how it is. So that three types of work it is given. And here that nowadays during the heavy traffic, you all know that many accidents took place. So at that time what the man as a performer role, so that is given over here. Now so at that time the stone is there, but it is a non-living thing. Then the animals and birds, they are also not that much of sense. They are not that much of intelligent. Now here the man, human being, only that feel the all that happy and sorrow, that all the things only man can feel. So what are the role that is given over here? Now Sunit and Punit, they are asking and giving answer to each other, one another, that what will happen at that place if the accident is there and what the man has performed a role. Now we'll see the lesson. मार्गे घटमानाया दुर्घटनाया साक्षिणः के भवन्ति किं च ते आचरन्ति इति विषयम् अधिकृत्य पुनीत सुनीतौ परस्परं संवदत. मार्गे घटमानाया, घटमानाया means the incident, दुर्घटनाया means accident, साक्षिणः means witness, के भवन्ति means whenever the anything happened. So who are the witness of that place, and किं च ते आचरन्ति इति means what they will do, means what the role they have to perform at that place, means who are the witness and what they have to perform their role at the same time whenever the accident will happen. Vishayam adhikritya Punita Sunitau parasparam samvadata means Punit and Sunit, they have to talk with each other, they are talking with each other on this subject. Now Punitah, Punit, भ्रात्र means brother, मार्गे कदाचित दुर्घटना अपि घटन्ति. मार्गे means on the way, maybe that sometime means in a accidentally, in a moment. Durghatana means accident. Api ghatanti means happen. Means on the way, suppose maybe if the accident is happened. Here the word ghatanti. Ghatanti means happen. Durghatana means accident. Tatra means there. Prayah means mostly. Prastaradayo means here the word prastara means strong. Prastara जड़ पदार्थ मीन्स नॉन लिविंग थिंग. गवादय मीन्स काउ. cows. पशवः मीन्स एनिमल्स. मनुष्य च इति त्रयः साक्षिणः भवन्ति. मीन्स एट दैट टाइम द स्टोन is a non-living thing. Gavadayah means cows and other animals. Manushya च इति means the human being, man also. Trayah means these three are. Sakshinah bhavanti, these three are a witness of that place. Kim tvam janasi, do you know? Janasi means do you know? Yata ghatitaya durghatnaya sandarbhe ete traya api bhinnam means different. Karma samacharanti means behave. Do you know that these three are performed? Means whenever the incident is happened, at that time regarding that these three trayo api means these three means who these three means that as a man means human being, that animals and bird and the stone also. Prastara means stone, non-living thing. Bhinnam karma samacharanti means different role they have to perform. Samacharanti, behave, act. So here the word samacharanti. Place. Sunitah. Now Sunit is saying, na janami, no, I don't know. Prathamam kathayatu means to say. Now tell me first, yata prastaradaya kim kurvanti means what the stone is doing perform. मतलब जो पत्थर है वो क्या करता है. Now Punit is giving answer. Prastaraadayastu achetanaha santi means a stone is a non-living thing. Achetana, non-living. Achetana. Achetana means non-living. Means the stone is a non-living thing. Te swayam kriyam kartum samarthaha na bhavanti. No samartha, not able. So here the word no samartha, not able means the stone is not able because the stone is a non-living thing. So here the Sunit is asking the question to Punit and Punit is replying that first tell me what the stone is doing perform. मतलब stone जो है पत्थर जो है वो क्या करता है. So the Punit is saying that the stone is a non-living thing and it is not able to do something. मतलब वो इतना able नहीं है कि वो कुछ कर सके. अतः ते so तथैव तिष्ठति means remain stable. मतलब जो stone है वो वहीं पे ही as it is रहता है. Now Sunit is asking सचेतनाः पशवः पक्षिणश्च किं कुर्वन्ति. Now tell me सचेतना means living. Here achetana means non-living. Sachetana means living. Sachetana means living. Now tell me that Pashavaha means animals. Pakshinascha means that what the birds and animals, they are a living thing. What they will do, Kurvanti means what they should do, they will do. Now Punit is giving reply. Ete ghatnaya uthitat dvale. So uthitat dvale means due to the sound created. मतलब जो एक्सीडेंट होता है उस पे जहाँ पे वो बहुत ही एक जोर से ध्वनि उत्पन्न होती है. That भयम अनुभवन्ति means that they are means animals and birds, they are afraid of at that place. Why? Because whenever the accident is happened, so ड्यू टू द साउंड क्रिएटेड, मतलब जो साउंड आता है उससे वो भयभीत हो जाते हैं. सो हियर द वर्ड उत्थितात ध्वनि created, they are भयम अनुभवती. भय मीन्स दे आर अफ्रेड ऑफ दैट प्लेस. अतः सो घटनास्थलात मीन्स when the things is happened, when the incident is happened at that place, we are say घटनास्थलात means from that place. दूरे धावन्ति means far away, they have to run away from that place. Dhavanti means run away, means they are a living thing. Stone, here stone, so the stone cannot do anything because stone is a non-living thing. But the birds and animals, they are a living thing, but they are feeling, means due to the sound created, means due to the sound they are afraid, so they are run away from that place. Now again, Sunita, Satyam vadati, Bhavan means you are saying very true. Gavadayah pashavastu nirbuddhayah santi, means Gavadaya means cow and other animals, they are nirbuddhayah means not that much of intelligent. Parantu but kaschit sabuddhi manavo api yadi, but if the sabuddhi manavo api, but the intelligent human being, yadi if घटनास्थलात means the that from the incident place, दूरे धावती means if the run away from that place, दूरे धावती tarhi means then, पशुरेव सह means he is surely a animal only. That the Sunit is saying, yes, you are saying the truth, that the animals and cows, they are not that much of intelligent, but the person who is having the intelligent sense, if the person is run away from that place, so he is surely a animal. मतलब जो इंसान है अगर वो वहां से चला जाता है तो वो जो पशु है वो पशु के जैसा ही कहलाता है. So Sunit is saying like this. Now the point, वस्तुतस्तु actually मनुष्यः अधि मनुष्य इव वर्तते. Actually if the human being is doing the role, the perform is human being only, मतलब इंसान अगर जो इंसान रहे तो इव वर्तते तदा then सह दुर्घटनाया साक्षी भूत्वा means from the accident place or witness of that accident place त्रिविधम कार्यम आचरति means 3 types of work that the person will do. means if the person is there, अगर जो इंसान है वो इंसान के जैसे परफॉर्म करे तो that from the place of that incident the person is a witness and he is doing a 3 types of work. मतलब उसको 3 चीजें करनी चाहिए, 3 काम करने चाहिए. सुनीतः कानि कानि तानि त्रिविधानि कार्याणि. Now what are these 3 types of work? Means the again asking the question. Sunit is asking the question. Now tell me what the 3 types of work the person will do. Trividhani means 3 types. Karyani means work. Now Punit is saying Prathamam karyam means first work. Asti Dukhanubhuti means experience of sorrow. So here the word experience of sorrow. First प्रथमम कार्यम अस्ति, फर्स्ट द पर्सन इज फीलिंग अ सॉरो, मतलब उसका दुख देख के वो इंसान भी दुखी हो जाता है. मनुष्य एव दुखेन दुखितो भवितुम अर्हति. ओनली अ मैन, अ ह्यूमन बीइंग ओनली दैट दुखेन दुखितो मतलब दुख में दुखी, भवितुम अर्हति मीन्स एबल, ओनली अ ह्यूमन बीइंग इज एबल टू फील दिस experience of sorrow, that if the person is seeing the another one's sorrow, मतलब किसी और का दुख देख के वो दुखी हो जाता है. Only that human being, only a man only feel this. सुखेना च सुखिना, happy of that happiness, मतलब दुख में दुखी और सुख में सुखी खाली मनुष्य ही हो सकता है. अतः दुर्घटनाया पीड़ाग्रस्तम, तो द वर्ड पीड़ाग्रस्तम, पीड़ाग्रस्तम मीन्स ट्रबल्ड. द वर्ड पीड़ाग्रस्तम ट्रबल्ड दुखिता जनम दृष्ट्वा मनुष्येण दुखानुभूति करणीयां भवति. Means the man should be done that the feeling of the sad feeling. दुर्घटनाया पीड़ाग्रस्तम, मतलब जो ट्रबल में है वो इंसान को देख के, जन्म दृष्टवा, having seen like this troubled person, मनुष्येण दुखानुभूति करणीया होती, इंसान को उस पे दुख प्रकट करना चाहिए. द पर्सन इज फीलिंग अ सॉरो. यह खलु रियली एतादृशं जीवं पश्यन् अपि दुखं न अनुभवति सः मनुष्यः नास्ति. Means the entire whole things the person is seeing, अपि दुखं न अनुभवति, if the person is not feel the sorrow, sad moment, सः मनुष्यः नास्ति, न प्लस अस्ति, नास्ति means that is not a human being, वो इंसान नहीं है. अपितु सः what प्रस्तरः एव, but that he is a stone only, मतलब वो इंसान नहीं है, वो क्या है, स्टोन है, पत्थर है. यतो ही प्रस्तरः कदापि अन्यस्य दुखं न अनुभवति, that we all know that the stone did not feel any kind of दुखम, मतलब sorrow, sad, मतलब पत्थर जो है उसको कभी भी किसी का दुख देख के दुख होता नहीं है. that the stone is not feel experience of the sorrow. Sunitah, now the Sunit is saying, you see, you know that here Punit is saying the first work. 3 work is there. Among that 3, the first is like this, that whenever the incident happened, that we feel sorrow at that moment. Now Sunit, यथार्थ भवानाः, yes, you know very well, मतलब you are saying true. मया अपि बहुधा अपरिचितं दुर्घटनाग्रस्तं जन पश्यता दुखम अनुभवम अस्ति. द्वितीय कार्यम किम अस्ति. नाउ यस वी ऑल नो दैट कोई अनजान इंसान, अननोन पर्सन का दुख देख के भी whenever the incident happened we feel sorrow. But what is the second work, means what will be the next work, second work. Now tell me what will be the second work that Sunit is asking to the Punit. मतलब जो second work है वो तुम मुझे बताओ. Now in the second and third we will see in the next part. I hope that you all have understand whatever I explained with the help of this word meaning. First you have to read the lesson and we will see the rest of the lesson in the next part. Thank you.